Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Roblox with Apple gift card. So if you want to use your gift card to make this purchase, so what you can do, you can simply add your gift card to your app store. So you need to access your app store. So open up your app store, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this profile on your top right, click on your profile, and then click on redeem gift card. So hit on this redeem, so you can transfer the balance from your gift card to your Apple ID. So you can use your camera to take a picture of your card, or you can manually enter your card details and then just undo it and then hit on redeem. So the balance, your gift card balance, will now be available on your Apple ID. So now we have added this gift card to your balance to on your app store. So now you can simply open up Roblox. For example, you want to buy Roblox, log into your account, and then hit on this buy option here. So buy Roblox option here. So now as you should just select any amount as you want. So just select that, and then here hit on purchase. So once you hit on purchase, since you have already added the balance to your app store, so your payment will be deducted through your app store. So your gift card balance will be used for this purchase. So that's how you can use Apple gift card with Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.